Ultrasonic sensor with an ESP32. One thing to sort out first. The HC-SR05 runs on 5 volts, but the ESP32 pins are 3.3 volts and not 5 volt tolerant. So you power the sensor from 5 volt, but the echo pin will send back a 5 volt signal and that can damage the ESP32 over time. You would fix this by adding a couple of resistors to inputs, but I skip this part because I never experienced that kind of damage. So trig goes to GPI05, echo to GPI018, and 5 volt goes to V in, so that's the USB power, and ground goes to ground. Some versions of this sensor have a 5th pin labeled out. That one outputs a digital high or low depending on whether something is within a set range. We're not using it here. Trig and echo give you the actual distance, which is more useful. The sketch is simple. Send a short pulse on trig, measure how long echo stays high, divide by 58 to get centimeters. No library needed, just digital write and pulse in. Full sketch is on the GitHub, link is in the description. Upload it, open serial monitor, and the readings came through immediately. Held my hand in front of it, accurate within a centimeter or two at close range. Gets less precise past about a meter, which is normal for this sensor. I also printed a warning when the distance drops below 10 centimeters. Simple but useful if you're building something that needs to react to objects getting close. Wiring diagram is on my site, and if you build something with this, please come to our Discord group and share it with us. Bye!